Marley. Oh. Okay, let's turn around. Good boy. Come here. Good
That's
boy.
Marley the daddy.
Come here, boy. Good
And that's
boy.
Jaydon.
I know, Jaydon. You want kisses too.
And they're 4 little puppies.
Okay. I'll kiss you later. We need to take pictures.
So Marley is smaller than Jaydon. He's about, He's about 3.5 pounds. And Jada is fat. Look at her fat belly because she's nursing. Good girl. Look, she wants to give you kisses.
I know. I want to kiss you too.
Hey, Marley.
Marley, come.
Hey,
Marley, come, boy. Come here, boy. You're such a good boy. Come here, boy.
And the littlest one right there on the floor is Jay. Then is Jay, Josie, Jaydon, and Joy.
Come here.
And that's Marley sitting on Tim's lap. He was born all black like Joy, but he's really lightened up. And Jada was born mostly black and white with some red. Good, honey.
Ear scratches. Nothing better than ear scratches.
Okay, all right, honey, that's it. There you go. You can just, you can let them run around if they want.
Okay, you want to run around?
Oh, no, you'd rather sit on the lap, yeah. There you go. Hi, Jada. Hi, honey. Okay, all right. I know, sweetie. I know.
You are so cute.
I know.
You're very cute, too.
I know, sweetie. I'll pick you up. You want to go in the video?
Come here.
Go in the video, honey.
Jada, come. Jada, come.
Go in the video, Jada.
You have to be in the video, Jada.
She's...
Look at Marley. He's like, I'm happy. Jada, come. Jada, come. Good girl. Oh, you're such a good girl. Okay, bye, Marley. Okay. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Oh, look how cute you guys are.
Oh, roll of paper towels so you can see their size next to a roll of paper towel.
Come here. You're such a goof. You're a goof too. Okay. Okay, so here we go. Ready? 4 puppy pickup.
Yay, that's it. All right. Marley, you want to go back in, sweetie? Go in the video. Thank you. I'm going to stop. There you go.
Oh, okay. Marley, come.
Hi, honey.
Come here, boy.
Hi.
Come here, boy. Come on. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
We're going to take the end of the video right here.
There you go. That's the daddy and the mommy and their 4 puppies.
And the 4 puppies.
All right.